In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear formatting in Google Vids. Now, we've all been there working on Google Vids trying to make our presentation or project look just right. But sometimes after playing around with different formats, fonts and styles, it just doesn't look the way we want it to. It can get messy, and resetting everything manually can be a tedious chore. Fortunately, Google Vids has a nifty feature that allows us to clear all formatting with just a few clicks, and I'm here to guide you through the process. First things first, you need to navigate to Google Vids. It's a part of Google's suite of productivity tools, so if you're familiar with docs, sheets or slides, you'll feel right at home. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Google Vids URL to get started. This will bring you to the main page of Google Vids. Here you're greeted by a variety of templates and your previously created vids, but we'll focus on the task at hand. Upon arriving at the Google Vids page, the next step is to sign in to your Google account. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking it will prompt you to choose which of your Google accounts you wish to use, if you have more than one. Select the appropriate account and you'll be taken to your Google Vids dashboard. This dashboard is your command center for all things related to Google Vids, a place where creativity and productivity meet. Now that you're logged in, it's time to choose the video you wish to edit. If you've got a specific project in mind, navigate to that video by scrolling through your dashboard or using the search feature. Once you've found your video, it's time to dive in. Click on the video element within your project. This can be a text box, an image, or anything else you've added to your video. Selecting it is as simple as clicking on it. A blue border or some form of highlight will appear around the selected element, indicating that it's now ready for editing. Now here's where the magic happens. With your video element selected, look for the Format option. It's typically located in the top menu bar of the Google Vids editor. This menu is where you can find all the formatting options Google Vids offers, from changing fonts and colors to adjusting alignment. But instead of diving into these, we're heading straight for the Clear Formatting option. Once you've found Format, click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, amongst various formatting options, you'll see Clear Formatting. Click on it. Instantly, all formatting applied to your selected element will be removed, reverting it back to its default state. This means all font changes, color adjustments, and any other stylistic modifications you've made will be cleared. It's a quick and effective way to start fresh without having to manually undo each change you've made. Let's take a moment to appreciate what just happened. By clicking Clear Formatting, you've saved yourself the hassle of going through each formatting feature individually. It's a one-stop solution to declutter your video element and start anew, which can be incredibly freeing when you're looking to re-envision your project's design. But remember, clear formatting applies only to the selected element. If your video project has multiple elements you wish to reset, you'll need to repeat this process for each one. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure you have full control over what gets reset and what stays intact, giving you the flexibility to only clear formatting from elements that truly need it. And there you have it, folks. Clearing formatting in Google Vids is as simple as that. This feature is not just a tool, it's your ally in maintaining a clean, cohesive look for your video projects, providing a quick way to undo changes and explore new visual styles without the fear of getting stuck with unwanted formatting. Before we wrap up, a final tip. Experiment with different styles and formats, but don't hesitate to use the Clear Formatting option to keep your projects looking their best. It's a powerful feature that puts you in control, letting you easily correct missteps or refresh your project's design with minimal effort. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide helps you make the most out of Google Vids and empowers you to create stunning, professionally formatted videos with ease. Until next time, happy editing.